That is clean. It's gonna look so good. If you're new to this channel, we just picked up this 2011 IS250 for my son. We've installed a few things, including intake and front splitter, and we have a lot more planned for the future. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you haven't already. Now let's start the video. Welcome back, JDM fam, and thank you guys for watching. Today's video is going to be about the 2IS because we have another new mod for the IS, and it is a rear diffuser. It's going to look great. By the way, don't mind the sauce on my shirt. I just had dinner and got a little messy, but that's okay. So here's the diffuser, guys. This is what we're going to be installing. We're going to be wet sanding with 800 grit and painting just like what we did with the front splitter right here. We're going to be using Krylon paint and primer in satin black, and it came out really good on this splitter, so it should come out really clean on the diffuser as well. If you guys look here, I mean, I think we did a great job. It's not going to be perfect. We don't have a booth or anything, but it did come out really clean. So that's what it looks like, guys. The 2IS looks great. We have a lot of mods coming in the future for this car as well, but it is just looking really good, really clean. And now we have a diffuser to install. So this is the diffuser. Definitely just a bare plastic, and it is glossy. It looks pretty good. A lot of people, I'm sure, do install it like this, but it's just, it looks like plastic. It doesn't look very good. So we're gonna sand it down, sand it really well, just scuff it up with the 800 grit. It's just enough just to scratch up the surface. Then we're going to paint it, get it looking clean, and then we're going to put it on the car. Now we are going to test fit it really quick so we can see what it looks like before, and then we'll start working on it. All right, let's do this. Get on that side, watch for the camera. All right, let's see what it looks like. How does this thing go on again? Oh yeah, that is clean. It's gonna look so good. That really looks great. Like I said, just like the splitter, we're using Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint and primer in satin black. Stuff works good, comes out great, and the finish really is a really nice finish. It's not too glossy, it's not too flat, it just comes out just right. So it's going to look really good. One more look at the stock diffuser, or one more look at the stock bumper. Looks good, but it can look a lot better. So let's start painting so we can install this diffuser. Okay, so it's dried. It's time to finally start installing it. So what we're gonna do is just put it up against the bumper and then start hitting all of the installation screw areas. I'm probably going to hit a screw somewhere over here as well as up here, I think, because it does pop out up here a little bit, and it should come out looking really clean. So let's start.